made the gold into an ephod, which he placed in Ophrah, his town. All Israel prostituted themselves by worshiping it there, and it became a snare to Gideon and his family. Ang ephod po ay damit ng high priest. Anong unang mali? Ang unang mali, ang pinagawa ni Gideon ay gintong ephod. Bakit mali? Church, hindi po si Moises ang nag-design ng damit na yan. Yan ay instruction ni Lord kay Moises. Ang mismo nagpagawa ng damit na yan ay si Lord. Yang damit na yan, hindi po yan aksidente at hindi lang yung ginaya sa mga pasyonista. Si Lord mismo ang nag-design. So, design ni Lord, pinalitan niya ng gold. Nilagay niya sa Ophrah, second mali. Yung Ophrah po ay isang bayan, ang templo ng Diyos ay nasa Sukot. Pangatlo, all Israel prostituted themselves by worshiping it there. Ito nang matindi na nangyari. Yung ipon na dapat suot ng punong pari, ginawa nilang idol. So, winorship nila. An ephod in the Bible was a sacred garment worn mainly by the high priest of Israel. It symbolized intercession, divine guidance, God's presence as described in Exodus 28. Take note. In some passages, the word ephod also refers to an object that became an idol, showing both its holy purpose and the danger of misuse. Yung ephod hindi masama kasi dinisign ni Lord para sa high priest. Pero wag mo siyang gagamitin sa ibang bagay kasi design yun para doon.